Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about learning English.
Hello everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
But before we begin, if you want to improve your English listening skills every week, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, your support helps us create more easy lessons for beginners. Don't forget to hit the notification bell too.
Exactly. Now, learning English is a very big topic, Emma.
Yes, Daniel. It is a very important topic for our listeners.
Emma, how do you feel today?
I feel great, Daniel. I love talking about English.
That is wonderful. I am happy too.
English is a beautiful language.
I agree. It is also a global language.
Yes, many people speak it everywhere.
Let's ask a simple question first.
Okay, go ahead.
Emma, why do you like English?
I like English because it helps me make new friends.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting.
Yes, I can talk to people from different countries.
That is so true. English connects people.
What about you, Daniel? Why do you like English?
I like English because I love watching English movies.
Wow, movies are great for learning.
Yes, they help a lot with listening.
I agree. Do you use subtitles?
Yes, I use English subtitles. It is very helpful.
That is a very good idea for beginners.
Thank you. It makes learning fun.
Let's talk about how we start our day with English.
Good idea. Do you study English in the morning?
Yes, I do. I listen to an English song every morning.
That sounds fun. What kind of music?
I like slow songs. Slow songs are easy to understand.
I agree. Fast songs are too difficult for beginners.
Yes, I write down the words of the song.
Wow, that is a great study habit.
Thank you. It helps me remember new words.
Speaking of new words, how do you remember them?
I use a small notebook. I carry it everywhere.
That is a useful method. Do you write every day?
Yes, I write 3 new words every day.
3 words. That is a good number. It is not too much.
Exactly. It is easy and simple.
Let's stop here for a moment and look at a word.
Great idea. What word should we explain?
Let's explain the word habit. I said study habit.
Oh, habit is a good word. Let's explain it.
A habit is something you do regularly, almost every day.
Yes, for example, brushing your teeth is a habit.
Exactly. Drinking coffee in the morning is a habit.
So, studying English every day can be a habit too.
Yes, that is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea. Reading books before bed is a good habit.
That is a perfect example, Emma.
Thank you. Now, let's continue our conversation.
Emma, do you think grammar is important for beginners?
Grammar is important, but not too much at the start.
I agree with you completely.
Beginners should focus on speaking and listening first.
Yes, mistakes are normal when you learn.
That is true. Everyone makes mistakes.
I make mistakes too. It is part of learning.
Exactly. We learn from our mistakes.
When you speak, do you worry about grammar?
Sometimes, but I try to just speak.
That is the best way. Confidence is key.
Yes, if you worry too much, you cannot speak.
That is very true. Just talk and enjoy it.
Daniel, do you practice speaking with other people?
Yes, I practice with my friends. We speak for 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes? That is short.
Yes, but we do it every single day.
Oh, I see. Small practice every day is better than a long practice once a week.
Precisely. Consistency is very important.
Listeners, what about you? Do you practice English every day? Please write your answer in the comments.
We really want to know your routine.
Yes, please tell us how you practice.
Now, Emma, let's talk about verbs.
Oh, verbs are very interesting, like regular and irregular verbs.
Yes, for example, the verb learn.
Learn is an interesting verb. Is it regular or irregular?
It can be both. In American English, we usually say learned with an ed.
Ah, so learned is regular because it adds ed.
Yes, for example, I learned 3 new words yesterday.
But in British English, people sometimes say learnt with a T.
Yes, learnt is irregular. Both are correct.
That is a very good pronunciation tip and grammar note.
Let's practice saying them. Learned, learnt.
Learned, learnt. They both sound good.
Let's give another example sentence.
She learned English at school.
Excellent. Now let's look at an irregular verb like speak.
The past of speak is spoke.
Yes, I spoke to my English teacher yesterday.
Spoke does not have ed. It changes completely.
Exactly. That is why it is an irregular verb.
Beginners should learn these common irregular verbs.
Yes, verbs like go, see, eat, and speak.
They are very useful for daily conversations.
That is true. Let's move to pronunciation now.
Pronunciation can be tricky for many students.
Yes, for example, the TH sound in English.
Oh, the TH sound is difficult for many people.
Like in the words thank you or think.
Yes, you need to put your tongue between your teeth.
Let's try it together. Thank you. Think.
Thank you. Think. It feels a bit strange at first.
Yes, but with practice it becomes natural.
That is a useful tip. Practice in front of a mirror.
Wow, a mirror? That is an interesting idea.
Yes, you can see your mouth and tongue.
I love that idea. I will try it too.
Great. It helps a lot with difficult sounds.
Emma, do you read English books?
Yes, I read children's books. They are very easy.
Children's books are amazing for beginners.
Yes, because they have simple sentences and pictures.
The pictures help you understand the story.
Exactly. If I don't know a word, the picture helps me.
That is a very smart way to learn vocabulary.
Do you read books, Daniel?
I read short stories online. There are many free websites.
Oh, really? That sounds convenient.
Yes, I can read them on my phone during lunch.
That is a good use of your free time.
Yes, instead of playing games, I read English.
That is a great habit, Daniel.
Thank you, Emma. I try my best.
Let's teach another useful phrase here.
Okay, what phrase do you have?
The phrase, try my best. You just said it.
Ah, try my best. What does it mean?
It means you do everything you can to succeed. You do your maximum work.
Yes, for example, I don't know all English words, but I try my best.
That is a beautiful sentence. It means you are working hard.
Let's give another example for our listeners.
He is trying his best to learn grammar.
Great example. It is a very encouraging phrase.
Yes, it is very positive.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, your support means a lot to us.
Now, Emma, let's talk about watching English television.
I like watching cartoons in English.
Cartoons? Wow, that sounds fun. Why cartoons?
Because the voice actors speak very clearly in cartoons.
That is true. They speak slowly and clearly for kids.
Yes, and the vocabulary is basic.
Which cartoon do you like?
I like simple cartoons about family and school.
That is very practical for daily life vocabulary.
Yes, I learn words for kitchen items, school items, and clothes.
That is a very clever strategy, Emma.
Thank you. What about English podcasts? Do you listen to them?
Yes, I listen to podcasts like ours. Simple and slow.
Listening while walking or doing chores is very good.
Yes, I listen while I wash the dishes.
That is a good combination, cleaning and learning.
It makes cleaning less boring.
I agree. I listen to English while I cook dinner.
Wow, you are surrounded by English.
Yes, immersion is very important.
Immersion is a big word. Let's explain it to our beginners.
Good point. Immersion means putting yourself inside the language.
Like being surrounded by English every day.
Yes, you change your phone language to English.
Oh, changing the phone language is a big step.
It is hard at first, but it helps you see English all the time.
That is true. You see words like settings, messages, and call.
Yes, those are everyday words.
Let's give another example of immersion.
Writing your shopping list in English.
Wow, writing apples, milk, and bread in English.
Exactly. It is a small change, but it helps your brain think in English.
Thinking in English is the ultimate goal.
Yes, it takes time, but small steps lead to big results.
That is a great philosophy, Emma.
Thank you, Daniel. We must encourage everyone.
Listeners, have you changed your phone language to English? Let us know in the comments.
I am curious to see how many people do this.
It is a brave thing to do for beginners.
Yes, but it is very effective.
Let's talk about speaking practice again. What if someone has no friends to speak English with?
That is a common problem, but there is a solution.
What is the solution?
You can speak to yourself.
Speak to yourself? Really?
Yes, you can describe what you are doing in the room.
Like saying, I am opening the window. I am drinking water.
Exactly. It helps your brain connect actions with English words.
That sounds a bit funny, but it works.
Yes, it might look funny, but nobody is watching you. You are alone in your room.
That is true. It is a safe space to make mistakes.
Yes, there is no stress and no fear.
Fear is the biggest enemy of learning a language.
I agree. People are afraid of being laughed at.
But we should not laugh at learners. Learning is great.
Yes, learning a new language is a superpower.
Wow, a superpower. I love that definition.
Thank you. It changes your life.
Let's talk about the word enemy. You said fear is the enemy.
Yes, an enemy is something that hurts you or stops you.
So, fear stops you from speaking English.
Yes, it is a useful sentence to remember. Do not let fear be your enemy.
Let's give another example with enemy.
Laziness is the enemy of progress.
Oh, that is a deep sentence, Emma. Laziness means not wanting to work.
Yes, if you are lazy, you cannot learn English.
So, we must be active and motivated.
Exactly. Motivation keeps us going.
How do you stay motivated, Emma?
I celebrate small wins.
Small wins? What are small wins?
For example, if I understand a full sentence in a movie, that is a win.
So you don't wait to understand the whole movie. You enjoy the small parts.
Yes, if I learn 5 new words today, I am happy. That is a small win.
That is a very healthy mindset.
Thank you. It stops me from feeling sad or frustrated.
Frustrated is another good word. It means feeling angry or disappointed because you cannot do something.
Yes, many English beginners feel frustrated when they don't understand.
But they should know it is normal. Language learning takes time.
Yes, it is a long journey, not a short race.
That is a useful sentence. Learning English is a journey.
Let's give another example.
Enjoy the journey of learning.
I love that. Enjoying the process makes it easy.
Yes, don't just think about the end. Enjoy today's lesson.
Like today's conversation, we are having fun.
Yes, today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.